Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this vlog, we're going to Dikiling because there is a Gorshey dance on Wednesday. Like actually, I love Tibetan dance, so whenever I go and I try to join Gorshey dance, so even in Leh as well. So today we are also going there, and we'll show you there, guys. Before that, we are going to gym. This is a gym boy. Beautiful place.
I'm so fed up of this situation. Sick and tired of this hesitating. Why you gotta say all these things that just aren't true?
Good boy. Guys, so we are just done with the gym and now we are moving towards Dikiling. Dheradun. We are a little bit late, so hopefully we will be there on time. Where are you going, bro?
So now we are heading towards Dikiling.
Yeah.
So today Wednesday. So everyone know today is Gorshey. It's a Tibetan local dance. So I'll try. I don't know how to dance, but we'll see. Yes.
Now we reach at Dikiling. Dikiling, guys. You farted, bro. I didn't fart. So we're gonna dance. Yes, guys, this is Diki at Dikiling. Now we are gonna dance, guys. So beautiful. Hey boy, what's up? Ladakh ya. Jule jule. Jule. Tuchna. So guys, we really enjoyed. How's your experience, bro?
So it was really nice. Like I learned some dance steps, Gorshey dance steps. So it was really joyful. Like people, all people came together and dance. It shows the cultural unities, you know. So yeah, I love it. And we got some fresh tea after the dance. So yeah, we enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed, guys. They provide tea, butter tea, and some snacks. Yeah, really enjoyed, and we also want to come next Wednesday. Yeah. So now we are here at Suvida. I don't know Suvida store, yeah, exactly. The Suvida store. So we'll be shopping here. 그럼. Yeah. Guys, you can see here. Before it was 192, now it's 187. ukuran ni chichiga. Got discount. Not red 750. Buy one get one free.
Shopping boy. What do you need, boy?
I need moisturizer, bro.
Moisturizer.
5750. Guys, we got shopping and now we are going back. There is no bus, so we have to walk now to room. There is a drone coming. Guys, we got back to room now. That really Gorshey dance was really so nice. We really enjoyed a lot. So then I'm gonna end my vlog here. Oh, see you in the next vlog, guys. If you are new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share. Ya jule sang mala. Ini yang video ini jalan.